Prezidente Republika José Ramos Horta Halao Enkontru ho senator no Prezidente Grupu Amizade Parlamentar Entre Timor ho Tailandia Hodi Diskuti Hamutuk Konaba Oinsa Timor Leste Bele Adere Lalais ba iha Membru ASEAN.
You are President, and it's wonderful to see him again, and very good and fruitful discussion we have. That means we are the friendship group from the Parliament of Thailand, Thailand, Timor Leste friendship group, which just set up maybe only a few weeks ago for the first time in history. So this is going to be one useful thing that we do. Like what we did today, we discussed about a lot of things. It would be too long for me to speak, but a lot of good ideas, and for now and for the future also.